Quicks is a global community that has been designed to reward people for their positive behaviors, and we're rolling it out around the world right now.
Hi, my name is Morne Lotte and I'm one of the directors of SFL. At our previous event we had the launch of the Quicks mobile application and it was a massive success.
So with our focus on big sport events around the world, we selected together with our partner in South Africa, Pinnacle Rewards, the SFL event as a wonderful platform to bring kind of true passion and sports together with our mobile app and our digital currency concept.
The intention is to create an e-wallet that allows people to consolidate rewards for good behavior and to consolidate their points across multiple loyalty offerings.
And it's really a new revolution product that we're running where you actually shake to win.
The Quicks application created an excitement from the moment our spectators arrived at the venue and it lasted straight throughout the event.
When I got here, there was this very, very helpful lady that, have you seen the Quicks app? I was like, no, I've never heard of it before. And she helped me to download it. It was very easy, the most user-friendly app that I've had in a while.
I enjoyed it very much and my Quicks app definitely made it a lot more enjoyable.
The reactions on Saturday was electric. I mean, to see people from young, old, and all walks of life participate, joining campaigns, receiving prizes, chatting about Quicks, it was absolutely amazing and we couldn't have asked for better.
Quite excited, because at one point I didn't even think it was even going to happen, so I just kept on shaking the phone. Next thing you know, you look at the phone, you're like, oh wow, you won. So yeah, it was really quite a crazy experience, actually, to believe you can actually win something like this. Yeah.
So Quicks is an amazing app. What it does is it gets people connected not from just marketing, just out there, but marketing every specific individual.
50% of the people who attended our event downloaded the application, and on average, each person participated in the campaigns 5 times. We gave away 270 prizes, which gave massive exposure to our sponsors.
It was quite easy to download from the App Store, and then we just looked out for the ladies coming with their little boards to say shake it, and I got a few sorries, and then eventually I got the congratulations, you won a game. Quite good.
I received my SMS and I just started shaking. I got a free drink, another free drink, and then I won the drone. So it's a good night for me and my kids. Thank you.
The Quicks app integrated flawlessly with SFL and it brought an exciting element that wasn't there in the previous events. The Quicks app helped us to make the event more successful and it also helped us to promote our events, because people won't just come to SFL to watch high quality kickboxing action, but they will also come to win outstanding prizes. We will definitely be using the Quicks application in the future.